Hey guys, so what we have here today is the Craftsman 20 volt CMC V002 shop vacuum. Now I've had this vacuum now for I guess a couple of months, and I think it's safe to say I can give my thoughts on it. I love this machine. It's got to be hands down one of the best tools I've ever purchased. Like I said, I've had it a couple of months, so it's got stuff in it, so I don't really want to open it up, but I'll show you. It's got these little clips on each side. This red piece separates from the bottom, and that's where you dump it. It's a wet dry vac, runs on the 20 volt battery system. Now I've got, as I've explained in other videos, multiple different batteries. I've got a 1.5 amp here, I've got a 2 amp battery, and I also use 4 amp batteries. Now I prefer using the 4 amp batteries on this vacuum because it uses a lot of power. So I'll show you a couple of the attachments. It comes with one of those little guys, don't all vacuums. Fits securely right in the handle there. And it also comes with one of these little guys, don't all vacuums. Fits securely right up there. The hose stores away very neatly. And there's a lot of, I don't know the length to it, but there's a lot of stretch to this hose. So we'll put a battery in it, and I have sacrificed some of my Miracle Grow potting mix here, you're welcome, to show you how good it works. It's a little loud, but you'll get the hint. Here we go. Too much at once, like any other vacuum, it doesn't like it, but then we can also, well, without the attachment here, it'll probably take quite a bit more. There it is. Like I said, guys, this has got to be hands down one of the best tools, not only for around the shop, but around the home, just everywhere. This has got to be one of the best tools that I bought. Now, since I'm transitioning from Porter Cable's 20 volt system to Craftsman, it is definitely an investment. Now, I believe, like I said, I've had this for a couple of months. I don't believe it came with a battery and charger. I think it was the tool only, but I want to say battery and charger was like $100 for the separate battery and charger. I don't remember. I don't really want to give any numbers. I'll try to see if I can find an Amazon link to put down in the description if this is something that you guys think might help you out. But to this point, I highly, highly, highly recommend this 20 volt shop vac. If you like anything you saw here today, subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.